Sudden, I feel BAM! I'm like, that's Kelby, oh crap!
Well, we are at our home track tonight. Old #1 Speedway here in Harrisonburg, roughly 15 miles from our house. Kinda nice to race close to home whenever we've been driving 7 to 9 hours every week to race. And we even brought the old TWO tonight. You nervous?
Just a little bit, teeny bit. Excited and nervous.
No. This is gonna be the side that I'm gonna rub. I'm gonna put a tire mark on this thing before the night's over with. Where Jonathan put those right there, I'm gonna add to it, son. Just get ready. I hope we're in the same heat race together.
Maybe.
I hope we are. So you're starting tailback all night?
Tailback.
I drew a 22.
I drew a 95.
So we should. You drew a what?
A 95.
That's where you need to be. Literally, that's where you need to be till you get some laps under you.
Oh, I agree.
But I drew a 22 in the 02. So that should, if we're not on front row of a heat race, we should be on the second row of heat race. So we should be all right on starting position in the heat race.
My first night in the car. We will see how it goes. If you ask me if I'm nervous, if I told you no, I would be lying. We got everything ready last night and did a little bit more than we got here to the track to my car. My car's been sitting on go for a while with the weather and everything. But we're here at our home track to see what we can do. See what I can learn. We'll take a look at the track. She's gonna be dry. Depending on how much more water they put on it. But the track itself doesn't look too bad at all. Yeah, hang around. Y'all will want to see how this goes. I think we will have a GoPro on my car too. If you hear me hollering, don't laugh. But it's gonna be fun. Do some learning, make some laps. I drew a 95, but I'll start tailback the whole race. You know, just to make some laps.
Well, pits are filling up pretty good tonight. Let me get over here right quick. 58 cars here total, 13 modifieds, which is really not a bad car count because Riverside, an hour from here, is having 1,000 to win. So, but hey, 13, I'll take it. There's our heat race lineup. I'm 02, front row outside, and then Josh is third row outside. Y'all keep the camera on. Y'all stay tuned because I told him, I said, first time I get close to you, I'm putting a tire mark on it. I will be the first one to put a tire mark on that car if I can help it and not screw myself up. Josh starts third row outside, I start front row outside in the second heat.
Like my hair?
So, we're about to get suited up. Johnny's wiping the car down right there, getting it all shined up. Josh's stuff's ready to go. The track looks great out there. So, y'all stay tuned. We'll see what happens tonight. It's going to be a fun night, I promise you, racing at the home track. Finally, we're not driving 9, 7, and 5 hours to race. We're racing 10 minutes from a house. You can't beat that. So, y'all stay tuned. You nervous? Are those buzzers or 747s in the stomach?
747s.
I can't wait to put a tire mark on your car. Do what?
Let's see.
Look at his hands. He's sitting there clenching and unclenching, clenching and unclenching.
What's our lineup?
What do you mean?
When are we hot, man?
We line up right here, but factory stock, pure stock, youth 4-cylinder, and then us.
You have plenty of time to go throw up.
Yeah.
Or take a crap.
Hey, and I start front row outside, you start third row inside, or outside, same heat.
Okay.
I can't wait to put a tire mark on that car. I'm gonna do it.
He's so mean. We gotta go.
Well, it's hot lap time, so we're gonna see what the O2 is made of. See if the hype's what it really is. And I'm fixing to strap in.
You ready to strap in?
Yeah.
Man, you're early tonight. You're
I know,
this
right?
early.
I know, right?
Who are you?
I don't know.
I got some figuring out to do, but I like it. I was pushing the loud pedal a lot more than I thought I would.
What do you feel like?
Awesome.
Awesome. You make you want to go fast?
Oh yeah. I got some things to figure out. No, that just takes laps. So yeah, I hammered down on this end one time. I like it. Yeah, I knew you would. I didn't spin out. Not this time. We'll
You
see.
didn't hit a wall.
Well, what'd you think?
I think I felt like I did better than I thought I would. He did?
We run the whole hot lap session, and I got to within a half a track of you. How close was you behind me when we started?
From here to there.
You done better than I thought you would.
I did better than I thought I would.
Is it different than what you thought?
Yeah, when I unbuckled, my hands were like this.
Hey,
That's fun,
y'all
though.
need explaining to do.
What?
We got a new crew member tonight.
Yeah, I know. Bryce.
Hello, where are you from?
Pocahontas, Arkansas.
How'd you find us?
Facebook.
Facebook. He's been talking to Joshua. Is that the front?
Yep.
We've been talking, and he said he wanted to come down and hang out and help, so come on.
Hey, we'll never turn down help. I promise you.
Hey, it's a good way to meet new people, you know, and racing nothing but a big family anyway, so.
Let's put him about 40 pounds of air in them tires and see how he likes it.
Just remember, if 02 is at the top of the board, don't spin out. But if I'm second, third, fifth, you can do whatever you want to do.
Been out there.
You ready for a heat race?
Yeah. No.
At least he's honest about it.
Yeah. Let's just do it.
He's so nervous he can't even talk. But front row outside, third row outside. So remember what I told you.
I got you.
The car was good in hot laps, but I'm not really going to change anything because I don't have enough laps in this car. So we're back to square one on building the notebook. So we're just going to go with the heat race on how it was before hot laps and see what we can learn. And then we'll take what we can learn in the heat race and see what we need to do for the feature. But we're fixing to line up, and hopefully Josh don't spin out in front of everybody. But luckily he starts tailback. But I'm going to give him crap regardless of what he does. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all don't want to miss it. I promise you.
We just got done with our heat race. Kelby won it. I don't know where Josh finished. All I know is Kelby gave him a little love tap. We've been working on the car a little bit. Something's messed up. I don't know what it is, but Kelby's busy, so I'm talking to y'all for right now. We'll see how the feature goes. Well, wish us luck. Kelby looks good. The car looks good. He likes it, so we'll see. Can you give me a water?
Alright, it's been kind of hectic. Really hectic. I got into Josh coming out of 4 in a heat race, broke a shock bolt, but was able to finish, won the heat. We start front row outside. We got it all back together. I think we're good to go. Dad's worried because the car is leaning down on the right side. But the pink car done that. It's good. We're not messing with it. Josh is getting his stuff tuned. We're put back together, full of fuel. We're ready to go. Do what?
It does to me. Somebody's looking at the end blower for it.
You know?
That tire was always kind of sucked in.
Yeah, that's how it was.
How the heck of a thing.
What do you think, Josh?
Well, he did what he was going to do, but I helped. And,
It wasn't on purpose.
No, it wasn't on purpose. None of it was on purpose. I did nobody's around me. I pushed up, and I was going to cut low, and all of a sudden, I feel, BAM! I'm like, that's Kelby, oh crap! I was thinking, man, I hope I just didn't cost that one, but it was all right. Now, I also kissed the wall a little bit, but we're getting it.
Is it a little different than what you thought?
Yes and no, but more yes and yeah, a lot.
That's what I thought. But we start front row outside of the feature. Where do you start?
Tailback.
Tailback. So I'm fixing to watch the replay of the heat race here. Figure out what I need to do for the feature. And we're gonna strap in and get ready for the feature, so y'all tune in because it's gonna be interesting, I promise.
I liked it. For me, the car felt good, but I got a little squirrely every now and then, and I'm a lot of learning still.
Every time I got behind him,
You really did.
Hey, no, it happens. I'm a newbie, so I'm learning. It'll come to me. Then somebody.
Ask her where we're going.
where are we going?
Waffle House.
We're going to the Awful Waffle.
What are you gonna eat?
Eggs, I bet.
No, waffle.
You gonna eat a waffle? Peanut butter or chocolate chip?
Chocolate chip.
But we'll get the hang of it.
I only run over him 3 times tonight. You know, no problem. Yeah, that was the result of it. If Adam got around me, I'd have run 5th, but we run 4th. Nothing's tore up, so we'll take it. We'll take it, build on it, and get ready for next weekend. We're gonna start planting beans tomorrow, I think, if it's dry enough. So, not real sure what next weekend holds, but if it works, we'll be somewhere. Maybe next time I won't run over him 3 times in one night. But hey, you know, it happens. You leaving? What are you leaving for?
Tired and cold.
How'd y'all do at softball today?
Terrible. 1-1 lost 2.
That's why you got to come to the races. Say you should win the first one and then lose the second one so you can come to the races. Don't you agree?
Yeah. I try to do that on purpose most of the time.
That's what's up. Are you ready for a Batesville debut now?
Find out.
Kathleen shine away every time I try to keep the camera to her. She like fades over. Hey, you better get used to this running all this. What are you doing?
Hey, guess where we're going? Yes. I don't know. Starts at the Waffle House.
Hey, have you seen your right rear quarter panel yet? Get out of the way, we won't have that problem. Y'all be sure and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're about to get loaded up, and apparently we're going to Waffle House. But weather allows, hopefully we're planting, but if weather allows, we'll go somewhere next weekend. So y'all stay tuned and check our Facebook out for immediate updates, because sometimes it's hard to update YouTube on race day when the weather is messing with our plans. So y'all check us out, and thanks for watching. Be sure and watch the next one.